Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. I know it's been a long time since I last uploaded a video here, and today I'm gonna show you guys a show that I'm hosting in Miami every other Friday. Today is Friday, September 29th. Our next car show will be Friday, October 13th. So in case you guys wanna join, our next car show is gonna be October 13th. I'm gonna walk around now and show you all of the cars that have showed up. This event is only for classic cars from the 50s. We don't allow any new car. So if you guys want to join this event, anybody's welcome to come, regardless of the club that you belong to. The only rule is that your car needs to be from the 1950s. We're located in Miami, Florida. And the reason why I'm doing this video in English is because many of my viewers in my Spanish YouTube channel have approached me to tell me that they like the event that we're doing and that they would love for me to do the same thing in English so that they can understand what we're saying. So for that reason, I'm gonna do a quick video showing you guys what we're doing today.
Hello guys.
The crowd that comes here is mostly older Cubans that want to relive those decades or those years and that nostalgia from the cars they used to have in Cuba before they migrated to the United States. So we put this event here and everybody comes and have a good time. As you guys can see, the cars that come here are mostly original. Only a small amount of them are in air ride suspension with big modifications. I know when I first started the channel, I focused a lot on filming cars that had air ride suspension and cars that had engine swaps and that type of modification, but the crowd that comes to this event is mostly owners of original, unrestored, or restored to original cars. For example, this is a 1956 Lincoln what? Premier. It's a beautiful car, unrestored, actually restored, but restored to its original specs. As you guys can see, this car is all original, including power windows. So the cars that come to this event are very rare cars. This one has original AC from the factory. The AC unit is located in the trunk. So these are the type of cars that you guys are going to find in this event. We also have a 1954 Plymouth. This is a very rare car. And right next to it we have a 1950 Pontiac. So again, if you guys like this video and you guys want to come, our next event is going to be October 13th. We do this every other Friday, and anybody's welcome to come. Again, the only rule is for your cars to be from the 1940s or 1950s or beginning of 1960, like the 1960s Cadillac, things like that. For example, look at this beautiful car. We have a little bit of everything, but as you guys can see, there's no new cars. We're not gonna allow any new cars to come to the show. And to this event, you get people that come from all over the town. Broward, Miami-Dade, Homestead, Miami Beach, South Miami, Little Havana. and we all gather here to have a good time. As you guys can see, this Cadillac is on airbags. I remember seeing this Cadillac somewhere on Instagram, and it was built in California, and it made its way to Miami. Right next to it, we have a 1951 Chevy Starline Deluxe. One of my favorite cars in the show, honestly. I love the 1950 Chevys. Even though I'm currently driving an Oldsmobile, a 54 Oldsmobile, I've always been a Chevy guy, especially the bombs. This car, as you guys can see, has been fully restored, and it doesn't have the inline six anymore. It now has an LS from a Chevy Corvette. It has an static drop, and the interior is one of the best interiors that I have seen ever in any of these 1950s Chevys. We also have your classic 1957 and 55 and 56 Chevys, like this one right here, which is a beautiful 1957 Chevy. Convertible, beautiful interior. And right next to it, you have a really nice Chevy truck from the 1950s. Again, if you guys want to make it to the event, we're located in Miami, Florida, and we do this every other Friday. Today is Friday, September 29, and our next event is going to be October 13. We also have bikes. The address is 8925 Southwest 162nd Avenue in Kendall. They're taking photos of the bike, so as soon as they're done, I want to show you guys this beautiful work of art. I really like this type of bikes. I've never ridden a bike. I don't know anything about motorcycles, how to put them into gear, how to start them, but I love these bikes. Some of these cars are kept original, some of these cars are modified. For example, the interior of the car has been totally restored. The light on my camera is dying, so that's why you guys see me turning the light on and off. I know that I haven't made a video in English in a while at a car show like this one, so let me know what you guys think. Should I keep on posting this type of videos, or should I continue to do them only in my Spanish YouTube channel? Like I was telling you guys, even though I'm a Chevy guy, right now I'm driving an Oldsmobile, and this is my 54 Oldsmobile 88. ¿Cómo está, mi hermano? You got people coming from all over town to say hi. And pretty much the number one reason why I stopped making or uploading more often on my English YouTube channel is because I became very popular in the Miami community and other places of the United States through my Spanish videos. So I kind of got demotivated to continue uploading in English. So let me know what you guys think I should continue to do. This is my 54 Oldsmobile, like I said, automatic. It's got no power steering, and it also has no power brakes, but it has the original V8 324 engine. Like I said, it's a nice crowd, mostly older Cubans. I believe I'm one of the youngest ones here with classic cars.
Habla, 20 y poquito le costó.
I want to show you the interior of this 57 Oldsmobile. Alejito. So the car on the outside has been kept totally original, but the interior has been redone, and as you guys can see, it even has AC. It's a beautiful work of art.